Hey guys, what's up? It's Ricky on PaBcollab. Hope you guys enjoyed all of the surprise guests we had last week. They all did an awesome job. This week on PaBcollab, the theme and challenge is going to be combined into one. It's just going to be make a noise video. Some collab channels have done it before. I know Live Loves Collab, if you guys remember that collab channel. They did that. It's really cool. Basically what you do is you just make random sounds from random different stuff and you edit it really fast together so it's like a really quick, just cool sounds all together and it looks really cool. That's what we're gonna do, your noise video. You can do whatever you want with it, just get a bunch of noises together and throw them together. Get on with the challenge and I'll talk to you guys later.